Wanderers, welcome back to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life. If you're rolling through the RV world like I am, you really need to hear about and learn about the Family RV Association. It has helped me learn the ins and outs of Birdie B, and it can do the same for you and your rig. Hope you enjoy this episode.
One of the things that's impressed me is you have, as you've done your shows and we've gotten to know each other and some of the conversations we've had, you've spent a lot of time in seminars learning the systems on your rig.
Yes. So let me talk about that a little bit. The Family RV Association, of which I am a member, and I highly recommend that if you are a RVer, join the Family RV Association. It's $99 a year, but what you get is the opportunity to go to an international convention. This year, they were in Perry, Georgia in March. I went to Perry. There's one coming up in July in Gillette, Wyoming. Due to other constraints on my time, I won't be going to Gillette this year. Mm-hmm. But the next one in March is again in Perry, Georgia. At Perry, they have a class called RV Basics. Mm-hmm. Gary Cipa, Steve Raye, and Eric Britz teach a class, and they go through electrical, water, sewer, propane, fire safety. If you're serious about the RV life, you really need to join the Family RV Association. The education alone is worth it. I'll see you in Perry, Georgia at the 2026 International Convention and Rally there. Thank you again for tuning in to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life.